was talking about leaving. Milk carton, black and white face. Smile vacant for the picture. Parents waiting in the driveway. Oh my darling Arizona, why you packing up your suitcase? Hasn't anybody told you? Oh, my mouth on fire, drowning.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today I am just here to do some kind of effortless makeup look. I don't know why, I'm a very big fan. As you guys know, I really love doing full glam makeup look and stuff, but sometimes I do really love doing natural kind of a look which will be very effortless, which will be like one and done eyeshadow kind of a thing. These kind of tutorials are really helpful for beginners actually, and I think it will be something anyone can do. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. I'm just going to start with some moisturizer, and for my moisturizer I'm going to use this newly launched Plume Skin Blur Moisturizing Primer. Really good. Acts as a moisturizer and also a primer as well. So I really love that. It's where you don't want to put a lot of makeup, but you want your skin to be very smooth and blurred out. I think you can go for something like this.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Me and Mia made a melody. Nick is near, we need to hear some cello please.
Already filled in my brows with this particular brow mascara from Color Bar. If you want to check that video, the video is coming up soon. One first impression and review kind of a thing. This is the eyebrow. Just wait for it and you will know what I'm talking about. Choose my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Caramel 332, and I'm just going to use it, not too much actually, just one pump. I just want to talk really quickly about few things. I'm actually going on a trek, as you guys know. There will be no network and stuff, so after I come back I'm gonna edit my vlogs obviously, because I recently purchased one new GoPro as well, as you guys know, and yeah, I'm just learning few things day by day so that I can do a really good vlog. I'm just going to use this concealer from Rimmel London. This one is their Lasting Radiance Concealer. I'm just going to use it right over here, not too much. Like this thing, which I'm using this Plume P20 brush to blend out my concealer. I really want to talk about this. Like, you guys know that I'm a blogger, I'm a full-time profession. I do YouTube videos and Instagram, and this takes a lot of hard work, a lot of time and everything, creativity. It really boils my blood when brands, I'm not talking about small business. Obviously, I will not say that don't take money from them. You can obviously support them in any other way. You are just taking a small amount of money and then you are just doing videos for them or just giving them a shout out, or even if you're not taking any money from them, it's completely up to you. I'm not talking about small business. I'm talking about big brands. I'm not going to take any name, give you guys some kind of hint. I'm talking about big brands, like big brands. With them before as well. It really makes me so angry that when you are saying me to do this kind of thing, like you are actually sending me entire PDF what I need to say and what I should not say. You are just saying me everything. I have to make a video on that, maintain everything. I have to maintain a dress code, I have to maintain my background. Like, obviously it's kind of a professional, obviously you have to maintain your background and your clothing when you're working with a bigger brand. I don't have any problem with that. My problem is, why cannot you just pay me? How can you just write that it's going to be a barter collaboration? Like, you have so much money. It's really funny. I just wish if I could say this, but it's really funny when I actually ask them for money. It's like a lot of work and I just don't work on like barter basis. I will take some payment for this. It's going to be a very small amount. Sorry, our brand is actually facing a lot of problem now, so we just can't pay you right now. I promise you that this is going to be a long-term collaboration, get some payment as well. So I was like, okay, it's okay. I just collaborated with them, filmed videos for them, and everything was really good. So again, after 1 or 2 months, they told me like, we are having this sheet mask campaign, we are having this and this campaign, and we will pay you 1000 rupees. Are you interested? I'm like, okay, you are paying me, okay, that's fine. But I just filmed that video within 1 week. I edited it by myself. I don't have editor. I edited it and it was like a lot of work. I uploaded it, and after that, when I asked them like, when are you going to pay me, they told me after 60 days. Like, you're going to pay me 1000 rupees after 60 days. You should have mentioned this earlier. I think 60 days. I constantly mailed them. I constantly like contacted them so many times, like, give me my money. Obviously, it's my hard work. Why will I not ask for my money? And they were like, we are just facing some troubles, our company is facing some troubles, we're having some loss, we're having some this. Contacted like, I don't know, someone from their team, and she told me that she's going to pay my amount. There are so many other brands, they just think that as we are like such a big brand, anyone will collaborate with us. Us influencers, they are just sitting there just to collaborate with us, just working so hard just so they can get our products for free. Boils my blood, seriously. Used this pack cosmetics powder, I forgot to mention that. I'm just going to use a very like simple eyeshadow color all over my eyelid. So I'm just going to use this particular shadow from this brand Makeup Obsession, and this is what the color actually looks like. It's kind of a grayish beige kind of a color, very beautiful. It's in the shade E117, and I'm just going to use my fingers just like this. I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. Wow, this is such a pretty color. For the first time actually I'm using this color.
I sound obnoxious. I write it and record it, mix it all on Logic. Allegra D, I'm still allergic to the nonsense. This acid through my psyche right into a...
Use this palette from In Color, and this is actually a full shimmer palette. This is what it looks like, and I am just going to use this shade right over here. I don't know why, but this lime green shade is such a beautiful color. So I'm just going to use it with my fingers again, and I'm just going to use it right on top. Giving me such a beautiful shift of color.
Without your harmony, drowning in his light, bathing in my tea.
For my inner corners actually, I am going to use, I think, this shade right over here, or this one. I think I'm going to use this shade, this deep green shade. Just going to use it right over here, and I'm going to bring it a little upward so that it blends out really well. And this is what it looks like, so pretty. This white shimmery shade a little bit, just a little bit, and I'm just going to use it right over here just to pop up this area a little bit more.
A lot of alliteration, now I sound obnoxious. I write it and record it, mix it all on Logic. Allegra D, I'm still allergic to the nonsense. This acid...
Okay, so this is what my eye makeup looks. It looks like you 2-3 hours maybe, but this is like so simple, so easy, so colorful at the same time. I really loved it. Anyways, I am just going to also use a little bit of like that green shadow all over my lid, and I just used a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics palette, and I am going to use to bronzer shade, this two right over here. I'm just going to bronze up my skin a little bit.
Drowning in his light, drowning in his light, bathing in my tears.
It's a brighter shade, like this banana kind, this brighter shade. I'm just going to use it right over here. This actually a really quick hack how you can make your nose look. Now this is a contour palette from Flower Beauty where you have a blush, a bronzer and a highlighter.
Against final call, irony metallic, like blood upon a.
Lastly, for my highlighter, I am going to use this particular palette from L'Oreal. This two shade right over here. Give it a good mix and just going to use it right over here.
I'm fucking noggin. A lot of alliteration now, sound obnoxious. I write it and record it, mix it all on logic. Allegra D, I'm still allergic to the nonsense. This acid through my psyche right into a
I'm just going to use my MAC Fix Plus. Use this Chambord lip butter. It's kind of a tinted lip balm and this is in the shade Natural, a very light sheer kind of a shade. And then I'm just taking a darker lip liner and I'm just lining my lips. Hey guys, this is the finished look and I'm loving how easy, effortless this particular look is, and I hope you guys will recreate this look. If you do, make sure to send me your pictures and also don't forget to tag me as well. I have this highlight kind of a thing where I have all your recreations saved, and that's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, really find this video helpful. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.